Okay, this is April 4th, and this is day 12. I'm just coming out here to check on my lettuce garden, or my lettuce bed. And as you can see, everything is very, very colorful, and it's growing at a very rapid pace. It is currently raining, so this is what you're hearing. I'm standing under my umbrella. But look how beautiful and colorful everything is. It's growing at a pretty good pace. Very colorful. And they're eating really good because the soil had plant food in it already. And I water them every day. And I think it's rained about 3 times, counting today. And looky here. As you can see, the seeds have started sprouting up the organic spinach and the Swiss chard. So I can't wait till they come all the way up and we get to see what everything is going to actually look like. So this is the update. I just wanted to show you how beautiful everything is coming out. I'm going to insert some close-up pictures. But day 12. Back again. Today is April the 8th and this is day 16. I'm gonna start over here first. We've been getting a lot of rain, so this is why our Swiss chard and our organic spinach is looking like this. It's very, very saturated with water. It's been raining all day today. Beautiful. Just beautiful. It's our salad bowl red. Our kale is just hanging over. Look how tall it is. This is just as tall though. I'm gonna have to move my sign so I can tell what's what. Let's see where my sign is down here. It's in here somewhere. Where did my little sign go? It's down in here. Here we go. So again, this is my Paris Island. Yeah, the Paris Island has gotten rather big. And this type of lettuce I usually use on taco night when it gets tall enough. You can actually just wrap your taco meat, drop your taco meat off on there with your cherry tomatoes and your sour cream, whatever you're going to put on there, your cheese. Roll it up just as nice and eat it. It's a healthy taco. You can do a lot of different things with this lettuce. Kale, make kale chips. All of it's good for blending smoothies. But kale, you can make kale chips in the oven. Several different things you can do with that. Salads. I'm just going to be exploring because I got more than enough. Let's see, where's my little sign? This is the black seeded Simpson. And these are really, really big, beautiful leaves. You can see how big they are on my hand. They're growing really, really, really big. So it won't be much longer before I'll be able to take some of these out. Look how big this one is. So I'll be snipping on some of these soon. Taking some of these off and using them. Because this don't make no sense. But yeah. So again, this is day 16 and we're looking really good. I'm gonna take some pictures.